Well, hello again. Well, today I have this transition piece from my living room to my dining room that has come loose, and this transition pieces have a track that you bolt to the concrete, screw to the concrete. They're really small screws and they have a tendency to come loose. So I'm tired of pulling up, securing them, and so today I'm going to try some of this Liquid Nails adhesive. It's the Project's multi-purpose repair adhesive. This is the package LN 700. It has a 30-minute dry time and a 24-hour cure time. Package says it's best for wood, wall, tile, and concrete. So it ought to do what I need it to do. We're going to give it out now. The only thing is this is white, but since I won't be in view, I really don't care. I've heard that the old Liquid Nails formula is by far the best. I get a little glare there, so I'll turn. I don't know. I mean, I've used the Liquid Nails construction adhesive and it will hold just about anything. So I'm looking forward to using this. Hopefully this will take care of my problem. So what I'm going to do is pull up the transition piece and apply some of this, and right now, you know, while I do this, I think I'm going to go out in my shop, get a couple pieces of wood. We'll glue those together too, and we'll just see how this stuff works on wood. So let me cut out of here. Let me go get the wood pieces. I'll come back in and we'll glue this transition piece. Okay, I'm back. I found 2 scrap pieces of red oak, and while I was out there, I just hit them real quick with a little 60 grit sandpaper, and so we're going to try this out. First, I'm going to pull up the transition piece. As you can see, I've done took the track out, and this is from well, this is from Lumber Liquidators. And this is just kind of veneered MDF or particle board or something. So let me put me some the Liquid Nails. Probably should have done this before I started the camera, but I'm not softening it now. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to see if this formula of Liquid Nails will hold up to its name. It's already open. There's no seal inside the tube. Let me get me something to snip that. If I had better luck, I could use my pocket knife. So what I'm going to do is just get, here it comes, really good here on the ends, and I'm just going to run it down the spine of this track, because that's really if we're getting all that in the camera, this piece of transition is pretty long. So, and I'll put some in the middle on the ends there. Okay, and we're just going to set it down in the track. Okay, 30 minutes, that should be dry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some on these blocks. And we're going to see just how good this stuff is. Okay, that should do it. Now, gonna press those together. They've got a little squeeze out there. That's what I wanted. I'm gonna check back in 30 minutes. See if this stuff's really dried or not. So, okay, stay tuned and let's see what happens. Well, okay, it's been about 35 minutes and my transition piece kept wanting to come up, so I had to put a little weight on there, and that's what the little stand and the little crock there is doing, holding it down. I had to get some weight put in the crock, and so I don't know if that's dry yet. I'll probably let that set 24 hours and check it tomorrow. But we have our test piece here with the blocks, and I thought I'd see, hey, you know what? That's dry. It's soft. I can, you know, my nails make an indentation in it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it is dry. So let me see if we can, oh, but it ain't set. The blocks will still move. So I'm going to wait 24 hours, give that a cure time. I'll probably go outside and get some spring clamps and put on it overnight. My inside temperature right now is around 75. Humidity outside is 59%. Inside it's probably less because I have the air conditioner running, and anyway, it didn't glue, but it is dry, and so that, you know, they did say it would be dry in 30 minutes. They were right about that. But we'll let this set overnight, let it set for 24 hours, come back, and we'll see how the transition piece as well as the blocks of wood did. So let's check back tomorrow. Okay, it's been about 24 hours. So I'm going to take my little makeshift weight. I done took the other little thing off that was holding it down. Let's see if this is glued down good enough. Well, you know what? It is pretty solid. Maybe I didn't get enough on the end there, but I can't flip the rest of it up. So I'm pleased with it on that regard. Let's look at our test blocks, the two pieces of red oak that I glued together. Now this did dry yesterday in 30 minutes, but if you remember right, we could move the blocks around. It's still squishy. Not so much today. You know what? That's pretty good stuff right there. See if I can break it apart. I cannot break it apart. That Liquid Nails Project stuff. Let me get the ball. Just made me a believer. That's the first time I've used it. That little tube, and I cannot get those apart. I may go out later and try to drive a chisel or something between there and see if I can pop it off. But right now, you cannot pull these two blocks of wood apart. So I'm a new believer in this Liquid Nails Adhesive Projects. It says multi-purpose repair adhesive. Now, when I went to buy it, it says on the package what it's good for. So before you go out and just get any tube, look to see on the package what it's for, because if I remember right, there were some other Liquid Nails projects there, and they were designed for other types of adhesive jobs. So just be sure, check it out. Oops. Oh well. If you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Look below, leave them below, visit our website, and appreciate it. And well, if you got anything around the house that needs glued down, give that Liquid Nails a try. I'm really impressed with it now. I couldn't get that red oak apart. It's good stuff, and we'll see you later.